Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. What's going on with Google? Let's check it out. Alright, it's a bit of a Google update. What's happening with Google right now? Seeing Google and yeah, you can see obviously after announcement it came up and get thumped. And this is something, guys, that whenever you're looking at a chart, whenever you're looking at a market or an analysis and stuff like that, you can see that if I just show my trend lines, you can see here how with this trend line through here, and you notice sometimes, guys, and a lot of times when the market really has a big gap, it generally gets filled a bit later on. You know what I mean? It generally does get filled, but it doesn't always get filled. You know, it doesn't always get filled. So you can see here this gap here. So people that like to trade gaps, obviously, you know, this is obviously, I think, a news announcement as well too. And yeah, so they run up through there, came back, and now we're squeezing up, and pop back up to the high. So what's next for Google? So looking on the weekly chart here, you can see that we have obviously this peak up here was an area of support and resistance, and so was that there as well too. So we have a lot of area. And when talking about, say, that's the market through there, and talking about the 50% retracement from there to there, that's where it's at right now. It's only around about the let's go back to the daily chart here for a minute. It's only around about the 38. So if it comes back down, I would say more than likely that between the 610, what's that level there? Between the sort of the 610 level, or the 615 down to obviously around 600. That sort of 15-point range is a lot of different support levels, and it does look like it may hold through there and then want to continue up through the through the high side, and and continue moving forward through there. So that's what I do see, guys. That's what I'm seeing now moving forward with this one here. Looking at Google, guys, one thing that I'm personally looking out for, guys, I'm just looking for this. I'm not looking to trade this until we get another couple months worth of data, and then I'll start to use some trend analysis and so on and so forth. Make sense? So anyway, guys, that's a bit of a Google update for you today. If you like this video, then